All right, last part of maintaining mathematical proficiency that I want to go over just to make sure we got the right skills at the top of our brain leading into chapter 9. That would be the bottom page, 461. I'm not going to do all of them. It's proportions, but I'm going to make sure that we have the right idea on how to solve them. So the great thing about proportions is that we can actually crisscross. So 10 over 23 is equal to 4 over x. In other words, 10 times what gets you 4? It got to do the same thing. 23 times that same thing gets you what number? You tell me. So the nice shortcut is we can actually cross multiply because there's an equal sign. So 10 times x is 10x, and 4 times 23 is actually easy to do in my head, but I just don't feel like using my head right now. So, oops, or writing down what I see, 92. So we, of course, divide both sides by 10, and x is equal to 9.2. All right, so the way I do it is I cross multiply, and I can just follow my arrows, multiply this way, multiply that way, because there's an equal sign. Because there's an equal sign. Don't get this confused with other things in math. So now let's do numbers 11 and 12, which are a little bit more complex. So x plus 1 all over 2 is equal to 21 over 14. Ooh, actually, you know what I see right now? I'm going to simplify this fraction by 7, make my life easier. So I have x plus 1 all over 2 is the same as 3 over 2. I wonder if I said it that way and you could do the math without doing the math. But in case you can't, 2 times 3 is 6. Now, 2 times x plus 1 is this, is what you're supposed to think. If you can do it in your head, great. If you're going to make a mistake, not great. We're going to take away 2 from both sides. We're going to divide by 2 on both sides. And did you get that? 2. X plus 1 over 2 is the same as 3 over 2. These are the same. Oh, wait a second. What plus 1 is equal to 3? 2. All right, but I don't expect you to do these in your head. So let's go ahead to number 12, just to make sure we have the right idea. Oh no, you're thinking, it's in the denominator. Nah, not that big of a deal. All right, 9 over 3x minus 15 is equal to 3 over 12. Many ways of looking at it, but oh, guess what I see? A fraction that wants to be simplified. Isn't it nicer to have smaller numbers? And now we're going to cross multiply. And guess what? This we don't even need to distribute. 1 times this is just this. 9 times 4 is 36. So we're going to go ahead and add 15 to both sides. And we're going to divide by 3. Get x equals 17. All right, proportions. We're going to use them this chapter. I hope it helps you out. Not too scary, but, you know, look for fractions to simplify.